Hello friends, it's Adam Stein, broker, owner, and performance coach here at Century 21 Stein Posner in Boca Raton, sunny South Florida, sharing with you yet another market update for activity that's happening here in the Tri-County market that we cover, Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County. If you've been watching, you know we share this market update every single month. Today we're talking about the data in from May of 2022. We're going to compare some data from April of 2022 and also May of 2021. So we'll look at month over month and year over year. Here's a few things that we're seeing. Prices have continued to rise, but less so than in previous months. We're starting to see a slower rate of appreciation, right? A deceleration in the rate of appreciation. We're also seeing more active listings on the market now, which is absolutely going to have an impact on values for homeowners. And then the third major element is that the 30-year fixed rate mortgage has jumped up to over 6% for a fixed rate mortgage. Now you may say, wow, that's so high. Relative to where we've been in the last several years, that's true. Relative to the historical trend of borrowing money for a mortgage, it's not really true at all, where we've seen rates as high as 18%. Those are very, very high. I bought my first house at 9% a couple of decades ago, of course. So it's important to keep it in context, but it does have an impact on what's happening in the market today. All right, let's get into the data. Real quick, we did see closing, so we are seeing a slowing in the number of transactions, and that makes sense. As values have come up, as interest rates have come up, fewer buyers are now able to afford the house that they once wanted to buy, okay? And so we're gonna see a shift in the marketplace so that we get back into a healthy equilibrium for supply and demand, the number of houses on the market meeting what the actual demand for absorption of those houses is. In the meantime, we're seeing less transactions, but we did see an increase in the median single family home price point overall, 2.9% from April to May of 2022, and remarkably 23.6% from 2021 to 2022, with the highest rate of increase being Palm Beach County of the three counties, 30% in 1 year. Interestingly, it was 30% from 2020 to 2021, another 30% from 2021 to 2022, but it's not actually a 60% increase. The math actually has us 70% increase in the value of single family homes in Palm Beach County in 2 years. That's absolutely unprecedented and absolutely unsustainable, and it's going to be a good thing when the market starts to balance out. Here's what we anticipate. We do know that more listings are coming to the market. We do know that there are still plenty of buyers that have demand for South Florida real estate, but we do think that we're going to have a slowing period. And we do know that if you're a seller and you're thinking about putting your house on the market, there could not be a better time for you to take advantage of the opportunity right now. We don't know that you're going to be able to get this same value today, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months from now. Now, I'm not an economist. I'm making no economic claims here. You can certainly follow lots of economists who have the course of study and the background that I do not, but I'm on the field level, right? I'm here every day in the trenches with my agents and I am looking at the data. And what we do know is that we do think that there may be some compression of pricing. With more listings coming on, actually we're seeing an increase of 28% of total active listings month over month, 10% year over year. But to see a 28% increase of active listings in 1 month is an awful lot of new listings to come on the market, which means that buyers have more choices. Buyers have more choices, sellers, which means you're not going to dictate terms. You're not going to dictate that buyers are paying way over asking price, waiving contingencies, inspections, appraisals, etc. It may still happen, but it's happening less. If you have questions and you want to know more about what you should do, if you're contemplating what you might want to do in the marketplace, reach out to me. You can respond to this email. You can call my office at 561-756-9945. Ask for me personally, or my cell, 561-241-2103. Or talk to any one of your Century 21 Stein Posner preferred agents. We've got the most professional, respected, well-educated, hardest working agents in the marketplace. Love to help you too.